mom? Let's make pumping super simple. Show pump parts laid out. Step 1. Wash your hands and assemble the pump. Make sure all parts are clean and dry. Mom positions pump. Step 2. Center the flange on your nipple. It should fit snugly, not too tight, not too loose. Step 3. Start on a low suction. Let your body adjust. Gradually increase if needed. Bottle fills with milk. Pump for 15 to 20 minutes or until milk flow slows. Relax, breathe, and stay hydrated. Show milk being stored in bags. Step 4. Store milk in clean bottles or bags. Label with date. Freeze or refrigerate closing scene. Smiling mom, thumbs up. You've got this, mama. Subscribe for more breastfeeding tips, gifts,